Fez, Morocco might be the cultural and spiritual capital of the country, but to the rest of the world, it is the leather epicenter. The most unique place I've ever been to were the tanneries in Fez. This place is a living, breathing, open-air museum that showcases craftsmanship from history and an era long past. In the tanneries in Fez, Morocco, leather is made by hand in the exact same way that it was made thousands of years ago. And while much of the world turned to factories and mass production, Fez is still keeping this tradition strong. In medieval times, Fez was a powerhouse on the trade routes that connected Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. Merchants came from far and wide, not just trading spices and textiles, but coming here for the incredible leather that was being produced right in Fez. As for the techniques that you see today when you travel there, it's virtually the same as it was. These techniques have been passed down from generation to generation, from father to son. And what's most notable is that this craft has survived invasions, colonization, and globalization. Now, let's talk about how it works. From above, the tannery looks like an artist's palette, but when you get close up, you realize that what's happening inside of those stone vats is tough physical labor. Every step is done manually, often barefoot under the hot sun. No machines, no shortcuts, just people with their hands. But what most travelers can't help but notice right away is the pungent smell of ammonia that's wafting through the air. And why is the smell so strong, you might ask? Pigeon poop. Lots and lots of pigeon poop. Pigeons have naturally occurring ammonia in their droppings, which is used to soften the leather before the drying process. So when you look at those stone vats and you see a big pool of white liquid, that's pigeon poop. But also, you'll notice that to bypass this strong scent, a lot of people walk around with mint sprigs held under their nose. So if you find that the smell is too overbearing, you can always just ask somebody for a sprig of mint and they'll probably give it to you. Aside from the unique experience of watching leather being produced in real time, the quality of leather being produced in Fez is cherished all over the world. And as you walk through the Medina, whether it's in Marrakesh or in Fez, you'll notice that there are a lot of leather products, from jackets to furniture to even shoes and bags. These are often made from that leather in the Fez tanneries. Working in tanneries all day, every day is grueling and often underappreciated work. But it does support families and makes for a very good lifestyle for some individuals who enjoy it. So if you plan to go visit Fez and want to check out the tanneries while you're there, I highly suggest you do. But here's a couple of tips for when you visit. The best places to view the tanneries are from the top. So you'll have to go to either a terrace or a rooftop, and usually those are found in some of the shops that are around the tanneries. You'll need to ask somebody who works at the shop to bring you up there, since you probably won't be able to go up alone. But just be wary that there are some tour guides on the street who might be trying to get you to come with them, and they might be trying to scam you. Now, if you go into that shop and you feel compelled to buy something, definitely bring cash. My experience in Fez was that they were willing to take euros in addition to the local currency, but I would always recommend just bringing local currency and getting used to trying to use it in a new country. Also, be prepared to negotiate. And when you're there, you definitely want to ask some questions. So if you're standing on the rooftop terrace with one of the shop guides, feel free to ask away, and definitely ask them for some mint sprigs if you feel that the ammonia smell is too strong. The tanneries of Fez are a living example that a city can hold on to its traditions even while the world moves on. If this glimpse into Moroccan culture inspired you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check back for more adventures around the world. See you next time.